Alright folks, here's my first review on the Clutch Planishing hammer. Watch this. Hose doesn't fucking stay. This one, see, hair tool, fits perfect. This one, haven't the slightest clue what the hell the difference is, but it appears it does not like this. So, that's my first observation. Second observation is little tiny clamps, L cheapo or not so flexible hose. So that's the first observation. Hello YouTube, it's me again. Right now I'm making a new air hose for this planishing hammer because guess what? It will not connect. This little cheap little hose they got from China will not connect to my, what do you call it? My air hose. So good old me has to take this one apart. Mind you, it's not even, I don't even think it's air hose quality. So yeah, I gotta put my hat back on here, put my glasses on. It's not exactly the greatest piece of equipment, but I mean, it's not perfect, but clearly someone in China didn't realize that maybe this won't fit on everything. So yeah, I gotta lop this off. I don't know how to get the screwdriver in here. But here we go. Gotta get this off now. Hopefully that one comes off. Got that off. Hopefully, I don't know how they got the hose on here, but that's gonna be fun. Getting that off. Come on, hose. So yeah. Basically, now I gotta cut this hose off. I'll do that offline here because it's gonna take forever. Hello YouTube, it's me again. Already modifying the Clutch Planishing hammer right out of the box because guess what? What do you call it? The air hose doesn't fit properly. So I'm trying to get the air hose. Hopefully that'll stay. Hoping the air hose stays on. There we go. Basically, this air hose versus, oh, you can see that hard plastic hose versus a recycled snap-on air hose. So anyway, I had to fix that. That's the first cheap problem. What else do I got to counter next? Hello YouTube. Second thing I had to do is replace this thing because this one is too small and that one's a bigger one. So yeah, what I did was change it because my hose won't fit it. Nothing like getting something from China out of the box. You already got to repair the goddamn thing. I mean, I wasn't expecting a whole lot of it, but you know, got off my crescent wrench is pretty sad. But, come on, crescent wrench. This crescent wrench is a piece of junk. By the way, it's a Harbor Freight one. So anyway, now we'll try it. See how it works. Put the hose on and see if it works. Oh look, now we got it connected into a real hose with this thing. So I don't know. Oh, works. C'est la vie. From this piece of shit to this piece of shit nozzle. From this piece of shit hose to something that's actual real garage material. So yeah, that's nice to be able to do. Anyway, I'll put it back together and see if this thing works. Enjoy. Well, I got the cover back on the shoebox, putting the 4 screws in there, and haven't even used the thing yet, and got more scratches on it than most cars that use car lot. So anyway, I have the shoe gadget working. I did notice that one of the rubber feet either didn't come with it or fell out of it in the wonderful trip across the ocean. It's on the box. But anyway, piece of rubber missing. Anyway, I'll show you the hammer when I get done.